This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rachel Hull. Come step into a carefree lifestyle here at Regency Pines in Rockledge. This beautifully updated 2-bedroom 2-bath ground floor condo boasts tile flooring throughout. With an open living space and sliding glass doors from the back of the unit, this open floor plan is truly a rarity. Luxurious quartz countertops with extended counter for barstools, gorgeous gray shaker-style kitchen cabinets with plenty of storage and pull-outs inside the cabinets, built-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances truly make this the perfect kitchen to entertain. The primary is spacious with its own ensuite bathroom, making it your own personal retreat. With the convenience of the laundry being in the unit and an additional insulated storage closet on the screened-in porch, the unique features of this condo are endless. Sit on the screened-in porch and enjoy your morning coffee while enjoying the peace and tranquility of the Florida lifestyle. The monthly fee includes cable TV, water, sewer and Pest Company Pest Control, making this relaxed lifestyle come to fruition. For more information